An image of the leaked DJI Avata 360 controller screen has been circulating online, and it's actually revealing a lot of small details once you start connecting it with everything we already know about this drone. The display appears to be from what looks like an RC2 controller, running a build of the DJI Fly app that's designed to handle live 360-degree video. Instead of the usual forward camera feed, the screen shows a fully stitched spherical environment with grid lines and a center crosshair. That strongly suggests the drone is capturing the entire environment at once, allowing the pilot to reframe the footage later instead of committing to a single camera angle during flight. Another interesting detail shows up in the lower right corner of the screen. It clearly reads RES and FPS 6K 25. So based on this display, the drone appears to be recording at 6K resolution at 25 frames per second. Seeing 6K 25 here could mean a few different things. This might be an early prototype build. It could represent a specialized low light or night mode that reduces resolution for better sensor performance, or it's possible that the earlier 8K rumors were simply too optimistic. What makes this especially interesting is how it compares to the anti-gravity A1, which is currently the only other drone built specifically around 360-degree capture. That drone supports 8K 360 recording at 30 frames per second, along with several higher frame rate modes designed for flexible reframing later. So on paper, the A1's 8K recording definitely gives it the edge for pure 360 capture. But these two drones might actually be targeting slightly different types of pilots. The A1 is built as a dedicated fly first, frame later tool. If this upcoming drone can switch between aggressive FPV flight and immersive 360 capture, then recording at 6K might be a reasonable compromise for essentially getting two very different shooting styles in one drone. At that point, it really comes down to whether you prioritize maximum resolution or maximum versatility. Now, looking at the telemetry on the screen, there are a few more details worth noting. In the top left, the Chinese text translates to in-flight. The telemetry in the bottom left shows the drone is currently hovering with a speed of 0.0 meters per second, at a height of 28 meters and 141 meters away from the home point. In the top right, the drone appears to have a very strong GPS lock with 36 satellites and 4G icon, which suggests it is using DJI's enhanced transmission system, and the battery level is sitting at 74%, which corresponds to an estimated 13 minutes and 28 seconds of remaining flight time. There's also a red vision sensor icon visible, which likely means obstacle avoidance is disabled or inactive. That's actually pretty normal for DJI drones when flying in low light or night conditions, which seems to match the scene shown on the display. And speaking of battery life, the numbers here raise an interesting question. If 74% battery equals roughly 13 minutes and 28 seconds of remaining flight time, that would put the estimated total flight time at around 18 minutes on a full charge. That's noticeably lower than the earlier leaks, suggesting 25 to 30 minutes of battery life. So either this is still a prototype with unoptimized flight performance, or the real-world endurance of this hybrid drone may end up being lower than expected. Other than that, there isn't much else on the screen that stands out right now, but as always, I'm curious to hear what you think about this leak and what details you might have noticed. That's all for this video. Peace.